September, not
Oh.
end.
September.
Yeah, no, this is on holiday.
Holiday.
You did not hear the word holiday?
Idea from
3
Baba.
weeks Saturday. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to bring all your papers, huh? Because I have to.
Old one?
No, yeah, next week because I wanted to listen again all this.
Okay.
10 pounds.
Yeah, I heard 10 pounds for they take 10 pounds for refreshment and something foods. Like that they mentioned.
About 10 pounds. He has to bring 10 pounds to buy.
Yeah, for that reason.
Yes. So what did you put? Refreshments has to give refreshments?
No, 10 pounds they mentioned.
Yes, each person has to give 10 pounds to buy food.
Refreshments.
Yes, refreshments.
I put before 10 pounds and I put
In a list.
List, yeah, in list.
In a list. It should be like that. Here,
So I didn't hear
catch.
Because I was writing there and this one moved.
Catch him. So here, and in a list.
List. This one?
Yes, range.
Range.
But this is also correct. Yeah, voluntary, good. Good. Here.
I didn't hear this one.
Marks.
Scores.
Scores and marks.
Scores and marks.
Yes. Correct. It should be A.
So I didn't hear it.
Yeah.
This question I didn't hear actually.
Yeah. Anonymous, you did not tell the word anonymous. 18, 14, 17, 18, 22, 45. Became queen of England. Say, look, because I saw you. When the speaker says the next year, the following year, that is 1833, as the following year, Dickens married Catherine Hogarth. But in 1937, he says, Queen Victoria became Queen of England.
A little bit Harry. It was Harry.
Yes, I saw you. I saw you when this one. It was 1834. Dickens married Catherine Hogarth. But it's in 1837. Good. Bicycle. You cannot. So you are improving.
Alhamdulillah.
5, 8, 10, 16, 20, 25, 30, 31, what? 34? That is band 7.
Alhamdulillah.
Good.
Alhamdulillah.
Now we are going to study.